Hello, I'm Heng from Shanghai Port. I act as key architecture for both information technology and business system in SIPG. In 2017, the Yangsan Phase 4 automated terminal was put in operation and attracted the attention of the world. Its throughput quickly reached 5.7 million TU per year. The deepening application of Shanghai Port Comprehensive Paperless Online Service Platform has offered extraordinary experience to the Shanghai International Port Group and its customers, and also changed my career greatly. I'm now the General Manager of Neza Technology, a member of SIPG. Our company is committed to create and promote advanced full-process digital solutions for the entire port and shipping ecosystem. We transform and improve port and shipping business with new and advanced technologies like IoT, Big Data, AI, as well as blockchain. 2021, Neza Technology partnered with Shanghai Yangsan Phase 4 terminal to successfully implement the OptiX Ultra Remote Control project. The technology built a more efficient superhighway from the terminal, which improved employees' satisfaction and made the target of a green port. In the future, the terminal staff should have deeper and more comprehensive understanding of the business, equipment, and automation system. They are expected to be multi-skilled talent who are able to understand the interconnection of data, solve problems, and also the decision makers of key issues. We believe that technologies are developed by people and serve people. As a promoter of digital transformation in the port and shipping industry, Neza Technology will continue to follow the integration and application of various new technology in the industry, and endeavor to be a pivotal force to boost the port and shipping development.